If you want to see how I went from this to this, then go ahead and watch the video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you. So for this video, we need shoes. We'll also need super glue, and we'll need some accessories. I'm using feathers for this look. So let's begin. So first of all, I'm just taking the super glue and trying to open it. Usually I just use the cap of the glue to puncture the glue, and then when you're done, you can put the cap back on, and then you get your accessories that you'd like to use. I decided to go for feathers and same color of the shoes to make it pop. So I'm just aligning the feather on the side I want to put it, and now I'm taking my glue and applying some glue to the tip of the feather, and I'm also going to apply it on the side of the shoes that I want to put it. Just don't put too much glue because it's going to burn and it will make it look not clean. So you just apply a decent amount, and then once you're done, you place or press down the accessory or feather. In this case, I'm using the bottom of the glue to just make sure everything sticks well. And some got on my nails, so I'm trying to take it off. So I'm done with the first shoe. I know that easy, and I'm just going to the second shoe and doing the same thing, applying some super glue and also on the body of the shoe, and I'm trying to make it stick. I applied a little too much. I don't know if you guys can notice. So it was like burning some parts of it. No biggie. All for the design. I've had this shoe for 2 years, so I just decided to revamp the shoes and give it a new look. So guys, I'm done with that. So easy. And now I'm going to try on the shoe, but first of all, put away the glue for next use. So now I'm just trying on the shoes, and you can see how great they look on my feet. Yeah, so stylish. Thanks for watching, guys.